Hey everybody, this is Dave Forster with Basecamp Trading, and I want to share with you something I was showing in the trading room this morning because one of our trading rooms is really focused on trading SPX. But I would contend with just about anybody that in the current market environment, even if you think you're just trading SPX, you are also really trading crude oil because crude oil is affecting just about every asset class right now. So let me show you an example of what I was looking at. And I kept saying, up, crude's going up. What's SPX going to do? Go down, more than likely. And you can see it with this study that I have highlighted on the chart here. So this purple line right here is a comparison chart of Brent crude oil. You can look at WTI if you want to, but with this example, it's plotting the price of Brent oil directly against the price of SPX. And this is on a shorter term type of chart. And so you can see once SPX started trading, it chopped around for a while, and Brent also chopped around for a while. And then as Brent pulled back here, you can see that SPX was able to break out to the upside. And then once Brent crude put in a higher low here and looked like maybe it wasn't going down anymore, that really kind of stopped the up move on the SPX. And then once Brent moved up here, we had a slight pullback on SPX, and Brent continued to move up. SPX continued to pull back, and then once Brent finally dropped, then SPX put in a bullish engulfing candle right here, was able to move up, all the while Brent was pulling back. And then once again, Brent went up, SPX pulled back right in through here, and then another bullish engulfing candle right around the time where Brent put in a lower high and started rolling over. So no matter what you're trading, definitely keep an eye on the price of crude oil, whether it's West Texas Intermediate, WTI, or Brent, especially on an intraday basis. As long as Brent stays over 100, that's inflationary, and it's probably going to be harder for the overall stock market to really get much traction to the upside, especially on an intraday basis like I was demonstrating here. So one thing I would definitely check out would be the 30-day trial that we have going on. So if you head right here, bctnow.com/join, once you go there, you'll be able to get a 30-day unlimited access to the trading rooms for just $7. All right, hopefully you found that helpful, and I wish you good trading.